Welcome to the South East Airsoft Site Feature Series. Today we're covering how to add your team to the team list. This is a very useful feature for team captains to be able to list their team and promote it to prospective members in the area. To start, you're going to need to be logged in. As you can see, we're logged into the SCA test user. Once you're logged in, simply go to User Resources and click on Teams. Now let's take a look at what one team has done as far as their team options. As you can see, they're a MilSim team located in Florida, and they're in the northwest, mid-central, and south-central areas of the state. They've got a link to their website, a link to an email address to contact, how many active members they've got, a quick description, and some pictures. So that gives a good idea of what the team's about, and you can put pretty much whatever you want in there. Let's go ahead and add our own team now. To start, we're going to select an image for the team, and we're going to create the Panhandle Airsoft group for this. It's a MilSim team. We're going to call it the Panhandle Airsoft team, and it's located in Panama City in Florida. Now we're not going to put a phone, an email, or a website on this one. If you don't put anything here, it's not going to show up on the actual detail page, so don't worry about it looking kind of funny. Now we know there's approximately 6 to 10 active members. We're going to put a short description here, and we're going to put a long description. The state region is a simple idea for someone to look and see if they're kind of in the region for your team. Now we know that the Panhandle Airsoft team normally operates in the northwest and the north central area of the state. This option gives you a link back to the team's group page, which is part of the community section of the site. Simply navigate to the team's group page, which is located under the User HQ under Groups. Once you've got the page, grab the link at the top and paste it into this box right here. If you have an address for your team, go ahead and enter it here. We're going to use a pretty popular one right there. Once you're done doing this, you'll click Update, and it's going to submit the team to a team listing agent. Now, a team listing agent is going to go through and look at it and see whether or not the team meets the criteria to be on the page. This keeps the riffraff out, essentially. As you can see, the status is awaiting approval. And once an administrator gets the time to go through it, they're actually going to do a very thorough check of the information on the website, and they may contact you depending on what is needed for the team. So we're going to go ahead and approve this on the backside, and we'll go back to the main page. Now we go back to here, we see that there's a new team for the Panhandle Airsoft. Now we'll go ahead and look, and you'll see that it's a MilSim in Florida, and it's in the northwest and north central. We only added one image. However, you can add up to 5 images for your first and second teams. Now, each user can add 2 teams for their account. Once you get past 2, you're going to have to get a team listing agent to go ahead and update your account, and then you can add more after that, or you may actually apply to become a team listing agent. Now, once you've got this link on here, you can see that once we click on this post a comment, it's going to take us to the team's page. I would recommend that you become part of your team's group and to make sure that you set up a group for your team, and we'll cover that in another video. But that's pretty much it. At this point, anyone can look through here, and if they're looking for a team in Florida, they can do a quick search, and then boom, there's your team, and it's a quick idea for someone to find your team. And that's just a quick rundown of the team feature system. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and get on our forums and leave some comments under the tutorial video section. We really appreciate the feedback. Have a great day.